friends, I am going to show you how to do easy and delicious cookies. First, we are going to mix the sugar and the butter. Like, hey! What happened? You have to mix it very good like my mom. This is how you have to finish the cookie. You have to do like this, the egg. Okay. Oopsie, the egg broke. Wow, I did it! Now I have to mix this cookie like this. Very good and very careful. This smells very good. Whee! Something. Doom, doom. I put the flour and then I have to do it like this. Finally, this is best part that I like. Chocolate. Wow! Mix it. Now we are going to put the cookies in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Oof! Now it's time to do the cookies. You have to take a little bit and do it like a ball, like me. Put it in the oven for 20 minutes. The cookies are ready. Yay! You can eat them with chocolate or milk. Are so good. This is my family secret